7.2 mensuration. Third sum. The dimension of a hall means room, no? Hall is 10 meter into 9 meter into 8 meter. So this is length, this is breadth, this is height. Length into breadth into height. Then find the cost of painting the walls and ceiling. Note this point. Walls means you have in room, no? Now you have in room. So 4 sides are in that room. 4 sides are in that room. Then top is ceiling, bottom is floor. Bottom is floor. So 4 walls. The room has 4 walls and 1 ceiling, 1 bottom. So this is ceiling. This is ceiling. Usually we don't need to paint the floor, no? We are putting the tiles or anything else, granite so and so. So we have to paint the walls and ceiling at the rate of rupees 850 per meter square. Rupees 850 per meter square. Okay. Solution. The dimension of a hall. The dimension of a hall. That means length 10 meter, breadth 9 meter, height 8 meter. The area of this hall. LSA means, my dear, please note it here, no need to TSA. LSA means 4 sides. 4 sides means 4 walls. You know the 4 walls? 4 walls and 1 ceiling. 1 ceiling means, please see above means this, your ceiling is rectangular shape. Your ceiling is rectangular shape. So area of the rectangular is length into breadth. Length into breadth. So 4 sides, then plus 1 ceiling. So 4 sides means LSA. Then 1 side is rectangular shape, L into B. L into B. So the area of this room is, that hall is LSA plus LB. LSA plus LB. So LSA of a hall is our formula 2 into L plus B into height. 2 into L plus B into height. Our length is 10, breadth is 9, height is 8. So 2 into 10 plus 9, 19 and 8. 2 into 8, 16 into 19. Here 6 into 9, 54, balance 5. 6 into 1, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Then 1 into 19. 1 into 19 means 19. So the value is 4. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1, 2. Balance 1, 3. So 304 meter square. LSA of a hall is 304 meter square. Then ceiling, no? Then ceiling. Ceiling is L into B. L into B. So L is, length is 10, breadth is 9. So 10 into 9, 90 meter square. 90 meter square. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. The area equal to 304 plus 90. 304 plus 90. So 394 meter square. 394 meter square. This is our 4 walls plus 1 ceiling. 4 walls plus 1 ceiling area. Now we have to painting, no? So cost of painting per meter square. Per meter means already I told, no, 1 meter square is equal to the rupees is 8.50. That means 8 rupees 50 paise into 1. Cost of painting area is 394. So 394 into 8.50. 394 into 8.50. So we are multiplying 0 as it is. 5 into 4 20, balance 2, here 0, then 5 into 9 45, this 2 47, balance 4, 5 into 3 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. Then now we are multiplying this 8 into 4 32, 8 into 4 32, 2 here and balance 3 is here. 8 into 9 72, 8 into 9 72 plus 3 75, balance 7, 3 into 8 24 plus 7 is equal to 31, plus 7 is equal to 31. Then we are adding 0. This 0 is as it is. 7 plus 2 9 plus 5 14, balance 1 here. 1 plus 1 3 and 3 as it is. So the cost of painting is 3,349 rupees. The cost of the painting this hall is 3,349 rupees only. Now we have to see about the cube and its surface area. We know the surface area, but here we are introducing cube. And cube is cuboidal whose length and breadth and height are equal. Cuboid means different heights. Cuboid means different heights. Different heights. No need. Different heights are not. Only different dimensions. Dimensions means sides. Different sides. But here all sides are equal. That is cube. Here all sides are equal. Like dice. Dice, you know that dice and sugar cubes and also ice cubes This shape is like this. This shape is like this. Dice, you know the dice now, so it's very well object. A cuboidal has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. The unit is all sides are equal, no? So the same name is A. The formula of cube is all sides are equal. So the total surface area 6 faces, no? 6 faces. It has 6 faces. All faces equal means A into A. So this is A, this is also A, this is also A. So A into A square. All sides are like a square. So 6 sides. So 6 into A square. 6 into A square units. Square units. The lateral surface area. The lateral surface area means we remove top and bottom. We leave the top and bottom. So 4 sides. 4 equal sides. So 4 into A square square units. 4 into A square square units. Lateral surface area 4A square square units. Total surface area is 6A square. That's it. Now we are moving the sum. Sum number 4. Sum number 4. 7.2. Mensuration sum number 4. Find the TSA and LSA of the cube. Find the TSA and LSA of a cube. Here all sides are equal in cube. So they give only one dimension. Only one dimension. That is 8 meter. The total surface area formula is nothing but 6a square. 6 sides are there, so 6 into a square. Here the dimension, the side is 8 meter. The side is 8 meter. Then total surface area of the cube also 4a square. 4a square. Now solve it. TSA is equal to 6 into a means 8. So 8 square. 6 into 8 means 64. 6 into 8 means 8 into 8 is equal to 64. Then 6 into 64 is equal to 4 into 6 24. Here 4 balance 2 here. 6 into 6 36 plus 2 38. So the answer is 384 meter square. 384 meter square. TSA of a cube is 38 meter square. Then LSA. So 4 into that same A, 8 into 8. 8 into 8 already we know that 64. So we have to put as it is 4 into 64. 4 into 64 means here 4 into 4 16. Here 1. Here 6. 4 into 6 24 plus 1 256. 256 meters square. The TSA is 384 meters square. The LSA is 256 meters square. That's it. Then question number 3. 7.5. This side is 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. What is TSA formula? TSA formula is 6a square. Cube no. So 6a square. A is 7.5. So 6 into 7.5 whole square. 7.5 whole square. So 7.5 whole square is equal to 7.5 into 7.5. 5 into 5 25. Then 5 into 7 35 plus 2 is equal to 37. Then 7 into 5 35 as it is. 5 here. Then here 3. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49 plus 3 is equal to 52. So now we are adding. 5 means here 5. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So 2 here balance 1. 2 here balance 1. So here 4, 3, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6. Then 5 alone. So 5, 6. This decimal no. Here 1 decimal, 7.5 1 decimal, and here also 1 decimal. So we are putting 2 decimal leave. So we get 56.25. 56.25. Then we are multiplying 6 into 56.25. 6 into 56.25. So 6 into 5 30. Here 0. Balance is 3. 2 into 6 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Then 5 here balance 1. Balance 1. 6 into 6 36. 6 into 6 36 plus 1 37. So here 7. Then balance is 3. Balance is 3. 6 into 5 30. 30 plus 3 33. So 33 7.50. That is 337.50. 337.50. So the TSA is 337.5 centimeters square. 0.5 centimeter square. here LSA, here LSA. 4 into a square we know that 56.25. Then 4 into 56.25 is equal to 225 centimeter square. 225 centimeter square. So the LSA of a cube is 225 centimeter square. 225 centimeter square. Next sum, fifth sum. If the total surface area of the cube, this is very important, we have to find out cube or cuboid. The two formulas are different now, so we have to carefully find out cube or cuboid. Then cube is 2400 centimeter square. 2400 centimeter square. Find LSA. Find what? LSA. So the solution is they given TSA. They given TSA. TSA is equal to 2400 centimeter square. 2400 centimeter square. TSA of a cube. The formula is 6a square. The TSA of a cube is 6a square. By the sum they given 2400 centimeter square. So by the sum is 2400 is equal to 6a square. 6a square. Then this 6 coming to left hand side. Here multiplication. So the 6 is coming division. So 2400 by 6. 1 6 are 6. 4 6 are 24. Balance to 0 is as it is. So a square is equal to nothing but 400. A square is equal to 400. Then a into a is equal to 20 into 20, 400. So a is 20 centimeter. A is 20 centimeter. This is no need, but I did it. Okay. Now LSA. LSA of a cube is 4a square. The formula already we know that. They find only LSA. We have to find only LSA. So 4 into a square. 4 into a square is equal to here 400. A square is equal to here 400. 4 into 4, 16. 20 as it is. So 1600 centimeter square. 1600 centimeter square. The LSA of a cube is 1600 centimeter square.